Rice water has long been used to keep hair and skin healthy in the East, so you may want to consider adding it to your beauty routine if you struggle with damaged or lackluster locks. Rice water has several key components that are crucial to having beautiful hair, including vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. If you're looking for longer and stronger hair, consider using rice water instead of regular water when shampooing your hair or when giving yourself a facial scrub. Here are 5 reasons why rice water can help keep your hair looking beautiful and healthy. Plus, I'm going to share with you step-by-step the rice water method, from how to make it, and how to apply it like a pro, so let's go. Reduces dandruff. Because rice water is high in vitamins and minerals like zinc and magnesium, it can be an effective treatment for dandruff, which often grows worse during colder months when your scalp is dry. Simply massage your scalp with rice water until a light lather forms, then rinse thoroughly. Follow up with your normal shampoo routine. Improves texture. Did you know that rice bran water is considered an antioxidant because it contains vitamins and minerals? As a result, your hair becomes shinier and healthier. Not only will you notice your hair becoming smoother, but also see an improvement in its texture. You can look forward to healthy-looking hair as a result of drinking rice water regularly. Helps thicken the hair. The gelatin found in rice water works as a thickening agent on your hair. It is ideal for people who have thinner hair and are looking to add body and thickness back into their locks. Since it helps thicken your hair, it also gives it a more luxurious look that you can feel confident about flaunting. Reduces split ends. If you cut your hair and keep it healthy, your hair will naturally get shorter as it grows out. Split ends are a surefire way to make your locks appear shorter than they actually are. But by adding rice water into your weekly or bi-weekly routine, you can help reduce split ends and regrow longer hair faster. Stimulates growth. The high levels of amino acids in rice water make it an ideal conditioner. Amino acids are able to penetrate deep into your hair shaft and help stimulate growth. Natural proteins also help keep your hair strong and vibrant. You can use rice water on its own or as a component of your current conditioning routine. Pair it with other natural products like honey, eggs or olive oil, and you'll get even better results. Now let's make some rice water. I washed 2 cups of rice with 10 cups of water. However, before you can start washing the rice for this method, make sure to clean the rice with some water first to remove any dirt and impurity from it. Now you're gonna begin the washing process, which is basically rubbing the rice between your hands under the water for 3 minutes so that you can extract all the properties from it. Adding citrus peels to the mixture. Citrus peels are gonna help to keep the fermented rice water less stinky. Gonna do is to mix the orange peels and the rice water in a pot, then turn on the stove to medium heat, and allow the rice water to boil for 10 minutes. And now that your rice water mixture is quite cold, the next step is preparing the rice water for the fermentation process. So I'm done storing the rice water in single containers. Make sure to add some orange peels to it, because it gets a little bit stinky. The following step is the application of the fermented rice water to your hair. Wash your hair with rice water every 3 days during summertime, and once a week during wintertime.
If you liked this video, please do share, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because there are more important and useful tips that will be coming after this video. And if you have any questions, just comment in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much for watching.